Yeah.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
And I'm chasing money in the long run. I bet I get straight to it when the song's done. This young boy feeling awesome, who has that noise, living like a roster. Coming out the bash with my partners, then my boys. You can talk down if you want me to two-step, walk it out and go harder with no fouls. There's no point of the story if there's no one to tell. Yeah, I know, God, they want me a goner, somewhere deep in hell where it's hotter. I'm that dog without the collar. I have a number, should I call her? Don't listen to them haters trying to holler. Tell them no, 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 back up from here. What you thinking, my dear? That I'ma stop? Cause you tell your friends that roster isn't my type. He always living life, rolling loud, getting high. I say I'ma get by. She says that I'm fried, telling her friends roster's not that bright, and that I have a lot of hoes that I like. But me, you don't have to like. I'm chasing dollar signs in the long run. Yeah. In the long run, I bet I get straight to it when the song's done. I'm that young boy who has that noise, living like a roster, coming out the bash from the bottom to the top. With my partners and my boys, we ain't worried about them hating all y'all. Yeah. And her friends tell her stop the love then. If you done with him and get you a better guy in the long run. They know I'm hotter, that's why they tell you not to bother. Cause they want me to get with them under the covers, doing that funky stuff. Lovey-dovey, you know a lot, yeah, a lot that isn't true. Y'all follow the same road, so I took the avenue. I put it on my life, I'ma grind for it. And you can trust the whole or a soul, and I can't leave this rapping alone. It means everything, since you lied to me once, how do I know you speaking the truth? I got a bunch of swag. I said, girl, if you used to be in play, come to me, it's where it's at, and we can try to make a change. But don't bring the past on me and try to make it rain. Just let me hold you. You didn't know I rap, I had to show you. I'm that loyal dude that's to the end. I grown up with no daddy, been stuck inside that pen, holding on his head, but I'm okay. I'm that young man. I taught myself how to treat you. If you cheat, I won't beat you. I forget and delete you, make you see through. I know how to treat you, and I'ma prove it when I see you. Yeah, and I'm chasing money in the long run. I bet I get straight to it when the song's done. Yeah, that's roster, all the way.